Welcome guys to Makeup 101. Class is in section. Kindly get a pen and a paper and jot things down. In today's class, I'll be teaching you the essentials you need in a basic makeup bag. So what I mean is that I'll primarily be teaching you things you need, equipment, products that you need in your personal makeup bag to get you a beautiful makeup look that you desire. So guys, here I have a personal makeup kit. Yes, and it's for one of my clients. If you don't know, I have a brand that is a cosmetic brand where I sell makeup products. So I have this bag, this purse curated for one of my clients according to our budget and different brands. So here is everything guys that you would need for our makeup. And I just felt like I get a lot of requests from people asking me, Ife, I need a makeup kit. Ife, what do I need to get? Alpha Glam, what are the basic things I need in my makeup kit? Today I'll be dealing with that, and I believe that will be settled for the rest of the year. If this is what you like to watch, kindly keep on watching. So guys, before we go into what you need in a makeup bag, I need you to get some things clear, and this is your skin. Guys, before you get some makeup products, you have to know the type of skin type that you have. And we have the normal skin, we have the combination skin, we have the oily skin, and we also have the sensitive skin. For the normal skin, this is the skin that has normal skin pores. There's nothing wrong with the skin, everything is looking good. The skin pores, they are not so visible, the skin is not oily, nothing is wrong with the skin. That's the normal skin type. We then have the combination skin. Combination skin is a type of skin that has some parts of it are dry and some parts of it are oily. So that is what we call a combination skin. So a combination skin essentially is a mix of oily skin and dry skin. Yes, I believe you have gotten that. Then we also have dry skin. Dry skin is the one that you notice the face is always squeezed, the pores you barely see it, the face is always dry, you rarely see oil on the face. If you notice this type of face, people tend to look very dry, ashy. Yes, that is a dry skin. And also we have an oily skin. An oily skin is a skin that produces oil, excess sebum, excess oil. Someone like me, I have an oily skin, very oily skin. In fact, those are people that you will see the pores of their skin. Some will be enlarged, some of them their face is always oily. Someone like me, I always have to clean my face like 2 or 3 times every day because of the amount of oil that I produce. Then we now have sensitive skin. Sensitive skin are people that they fall, probably they can be dry, they can be oily, they can be combination, but any product that touches their skin tends to react to it. Like their skin reacts to any product. So if you notice, somebody can use a powder today and tomorrow you just see rashes or you see something wrong with the face. That is what a sensitive skin is. So now, having this knowledge, this background about type of skin, this will just help you in purchasing the type of products that will essentially fit your skin. With that at the back of your mind, these are essentially what you need in your personal makeup kit. First of all, you need a set of brush. This is a set of brush. This is 15 pieces and it has everything you need for your face. So first of all, you need a set of brush. After this, you need a beauty blender. This is a beauty blender, guys. You need this to blend your foundation, to blend your concealer. You need a beauty blender. This is very essential, guys. There are some people that prefer using their brush, but after you use your brush, you can go into your beauty blender. It is now a necessity. It was before that you can do your makeup without beauty blender. Right now, I really see people do their makeup without beauty blender. So you need a beauty blender. One of the essential products that you need in your makeup kit is a primer. Here is the classic mattifying primer. It is a very nice primer, especially for oily skin. If you have oily skin, this primer is good for you. If you have normal skin, you can use this. If you have combination skin, you can use this. But if you have a dry skin, I will actually advise that you go for a dewy makeup primer that does not make you feel mattified, does not make you feel too dry. So the first thing you need in your makeup kit is your primer. After your primer, guys, you need your foundation. Here is your foundation. It depends on your budget. As I told you, it depends on your budget, it depends on the brand you are buying, but you need your foundation. Once you are done with your foundation, you need your concealer. Your concealer is to highlight your face. Guys, after this video, you can go and watch my makeup tutorials. I have detailed tutorials on my channel that will show you how to use these products. So right now, you have a concealer. After this, you need your pressed powder. This is my Milani pressed powder. You need a pressed powder in your shade, and also your powder also matters. There are different types of powders, but since it's a personal makeup class, you need your pressed powder. For people that are extra and they want something that they can use to contour, have different shades, you can buy this powder palette. It's actually quite affordable. You can get this for 12,000, 13,000, depending on the vendor. These are different colors. You can use a color to set, you can use a color to bake, you can use a color to contour. I'll be dropping pictures of how you use this because I don't want to tear this. This is for my clients. This is a powder palette that works for your face. And this, if you have a friend that comes over and wants to borrow your powder, you have something that they can use. Setting spray. This is the Kiss Beauty setting spray. You use this to merge your whole makeup together. You use it to remove the powdery effect of your powders and all that on your face. After your setting spray, you need your setting powder. This is a setting powder. This is the Mirac setting powder in ginger. It's one of my favorites. So this powder, use it to bake your face, use it to set your face, anything. This powder is what you need. Once you are done with your setting powder, you need your eyeshadow palette. This is the Blossom eyeshadow palette in a nude story. I like this eyeshadow palette because if you notice, I did not mention blush. Yes, for this eyeshadow palette, it has shimmers, it has mattes, and it has beautiful colors that you can use for your blush. Guys, we are in the Tinubu economy. You don't want to spend too much. You don't want to spend on frivolities. You don't want to spend on items that you might not need on the long run. If you're a blush girl, you can essentially buy a blush. See, you can buy a blush set. You can buy as much as you like for your blush. But for this eyeshadow palette, you can use this blush as your blush. You can use this as your blush. You can use this as your blush. And this is why I always recommend it to my clients. Then apart from that, you have beautiful shimmery colors. You have your nude colors. Then more of shimmery colors. Yes guys, so this is an eyeshadow palette that actually does the work, and it is multi-purpose. So that is that about your eyeshadow. Once you are done applying your eyeshadow, you need your eyeliner. So you also need your eyeliner in your makeup box. So this is your eyeliner. This is a gel eyeliner. So you use your liner brush to apply it on your eyes. If you watch my videos, you get how to do this. After lining your eyes, you will need your lash glue. So this is a lash glue that you need in your makeup product. They are not everybody really likes to apply lashes, but if you like to apply lashes, I will advise you to get a lash glue. So this is a lash glue. Guys, you also need your mascara. This is to prep your eyelashes, and also for people that don't like false eyelashes, you can use this on your lashes, and it's actually very nice. It makes your lashes look as full as possible. Like, I really like it because if you notice, I've used it on my channel, and honestly, the way my lashes look from bare to a lot, yes, this mascara is what you need. After this, what you also need in your makeup box is your eyelashes. They are make eyelashes, 3D eyelashes. They basically do the work. So you need your eyelashes. I've not spoken about brows. You need your eyebrow pencil. This is the Davis pencil, the OG before the OG. Yes, this is the Davis pencil in 03. It goes for any skin tone. So this is your eyebrows pencil. Your lip glosses. This is the Zekel new lip glosses. It is 6 in 1, and it is very, very nice, very pigmented. I am using something of that sort on my lips, and without lipstick or anything, see how pigmented it looks. So this is also something you need in your personal makeup kit. And if you don't like the colors, you can go for colors that you like, or other nude colors, nude lip glosses. Another thing you also need in your makeup kit is this face puff. I know it just got into the market, but now it is very, very essential. This is to help you get to the inner corners of your eyes. So you need your face puff, guys. Yes, this is another basic thing you need in your makeup kit. Hey guys, you need your lipsticks. Yes, this is your lipsticks to apply your lipstick, and you are good to go. I know somebody will ask me that, what about highlighter? They want to glow, and that is why we have this new story, and that is why I said this eyeshadow is multi-purpose. Do you know that you can actually use Lord of Jesus. Yeah. One client. You can use this color to highlight your face. You can use this color to highlight your face. You can use this color to highlight your face, depending on what you want. So instead of spending money on highlighter, you can opt for this and buy this and you're good to go. Lastly, guys, what you need in your personal makeup kit to lock in the whole makeup and let it last for 48 hours. No, I exaggerated. But to make it last for as long as possible, you need your finishing spray, and this is the So Pro finishing spray, and this is in the 75 ml. You need this small one because of course it is a personal makeup kit, it is not professional. So this is it. And guys, these are all the products you need in your personal makeup kit. If you also want to learn how to apply these products, make sure you check my previous videos. I'll be putting the link above. You can click on it and learn how to use this product. I'm sure when you watch 1 or 2 of my videos, you will learn how to use this product and you will also become a pro makeup artist. My tutorials are easy breezy, they are very detailed and straight to the point. Also guys, if you want to shop for your authentic and affordable makeup products, you can send a DM to me on Alpha Beauty Shop. Yes, Alpha Beauty Shop on Instagram. I help people create beautiful makeup box depending on their budget, and they get nice, affordable, authentic makeup. No fake zone here. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. And also, if you're interested in learning how to apply your makeup, like you want a one-on-one class, you don't want to watch tutorials, you want a one-on-one class, I do detailed tutorials. I teach classes online, I take online classes. And if you're interested, kindly drop your comment or send me a DM on Alpha Glam on Instagram. So if you send me that DM, I'll know you're interested and I'll essentially fix a class and you will learn how to do your makeup. So that is all about this video, guys, and I really hope it is enlightening enough. You learned something one way or the other, and if you did, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, and lastly and most importantly, guys, don't forget to drop your comments. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.